DMC has a big wing spoiler for the new Ferrari F8 Tributo. Stay tuned after a few words of introduction. Hi guys, thanks a lot for tuning in here again today, and it's been a while since we uploaded another video before, but you know what, in Germany we say good things take a while, and good things really come in this video. I'm really proud to show you a preview. Actually, it's more than a preview. The new EVO wing, we call it the EVO as an evolution wing for the Ferrari F8 Tributo is ready. Have a look at this. It's massive. Now this thing is really going to be polarizing. I call it thing, of course. It's a beautiful aerodynamic wing spoiler, but some people, you know, they're not too much into big wings. They might not like it, whereas others, they really love big wings. So what camp are you in? Do you love big wings, or do you rather like a little bit supple wing? You know, we've actually done a supple wing before for the F8 Tributo. It's also available. Again, let us know in the comments below what you like better. Do you more like big wings or extremely big wings, or are you more like on the elegant side with a little trunk spoiler? So now this wing spoiler actually is available in different materials. It comes in forged carbon fiber as well as in Prepeg carbon fiber. Let me give you some of the close-up details here. Here is a material sample of the Prepeg carbon fiber wing, and look at these beautiful lines. They're all perfect aligned thanks to the Prepeg material. And you can also choose the carbon weave. We've chosen a bigger weave here with a center line. Some people also call it the V center line. It's really absolutely beautiful, stunning. And you can see that the mold was actually made from aluminum, and only this kind of really rigid mold allows us, it's CNC from a block of aluminum, only this kind of mold allows us to include details like the DMC logo here under the wing. It's embossed into the carbon fiber. You could try to do that with another material, like if you make your mold from fiberglass or another material, but these materials are too soft. When you try to CNC them, you might be able to produce one or two sets from them, but after a while the materials simply get mellow, get soft, and these details, as the wordings, they tend to, what's the best word for that? Yeah, not blur out, but the quality goes away and then it doesn't look good anymore. So while you can make basically an okay shape, you can make a product with a fiberglass or carbon mold, but if you want to have these kind of details like a DMC logo or other kind of logo embossed into the carbon fiber, you need to go for an aluminum mold. Let me also show you the forged carbon fiber sample that we did. So this is the wing spoiler for the F8 Tributo in forged carbon fiber. You know I love that material. I didn't like it in the past, but now I'm really a big fan of it. It looks absolutely stunning. All our products from DMC are now available in forged carbon fiber, and so is of course this big F8 Tributo rear wing spoiler. When I say big, there is some differences that we have to make. This wing spoiler actually comes in two design styles. A is a goose neck wing style that we show you here. Have a look. So basically it's a little bit like the Performante Huracan style goose neck wing leg. A lot of you guys really loved it and asked us to, can you guys make something for the new F8 Tributo? And I think this is really a little bit what Ferrari is missing, what Lamborghini is really very good at marketing at. Even Lamborghini, most of the cars, let's take the Huracan for example, when the car comes out, they are actually quite subtle with the design, and then suddenly they come up with a Performante, they come up with the STO, as we've recently showed you, which gives you the option to have a really massive aerodynamic setup on your car. And I think Ferraris, they actually are born to do that as well. If you look at the FXXK line, whether it's the LaFerrari or 599 or any other Ferrari, these are actually quite brutal, quite aggressive. So it is in the culture, just Ferrari doesn't really give us too many of these options when it comes to ordering parts or optioning the car design. Sure, you have the Challenge, sure you have the Pista, but even the Pista, where's the big wing setup? There isn't really. And honestly speaking, if you say if you take the 488 Challenge for example, it's a beautiful car, but the wing is really a little bit too, I don't want to say simple, I'm sure it's fully functional. Italy, I hope you're listening to me, I hope it's fully functional. I want to remind you guys of past cars, a few cars of the past, let's say the Lamborghini Countach, for example, which had a wing which was only form and not function. So it wouldn't be something new that suddenly there's a product or a car which is not functional. But it's 2021. Let's hope for the best. But anyway, Ferrari doesn't give us this kind of wing, so here's DMC. We give you this awesome, beautiful wing spoiler. I hope you like it. We certainly love it a lot. And if you love this video and the product, then please give us a thumbs up, by the way, and subscribe to the channel. And there's also a second wing style that I promised you. It's not only the Goose Neck wings, but we also have a traditional top loader wing available for the F8, for this particular F8 Tributo wing by DMC. And we show you here some drawings or photos as well. Basically, when it comes top loading, is the traditional wing design from the past, where the wing spoiler is sitting on top of the wing legs. But recently, we really see a big move towards these gooseneck wings. We've seen it with the Senna, we've seen it with the new Porsche GT3. It's definitely going into that direction, so we love it as well. Of course, the Huracan Performante, so DMC has this option now for this wing spoiler, but if you don't like it, go with the top loader wing. Let me say thank you so much for watching today. If you have any questions, please post them down below. Go to our website, drop us an email. We always love to communicate with you. Also, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any future uploaded videos. Give us a thumbs up or like, depending on the platform where you're watching this, and then we'll see you next time with more DMC content. Thanks one more time for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.